Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Notepad++, a feature that's perfect for reducing eye strain and giving your editor a sleek, modern look. Let's get started. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the official website at notepad++.org. Now head to the top menu bar and click on Settings. From there, select Style Configurator. In the Style Configurator window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Select Theme. Click on it and choose one of the dark themes, like Bespin or Black Broad. These themes change the background to dark and the text to light, which is great for nighttime work or extended coding sessions. Once you've selected a dark theme, click on Save and Close. You'll instantly see your Notepad++ transform into a sleek, dark mode. If you're using a newer version of Notepad++, there's an even easier way to enable dark mode. Simply go to Preferences under the Settings menu, and you'll find a dedicated option for dark mode. Check that box, and you're good to go. That's it. Dark mode in Notepad++ is now enabled, giving your editor a professional look and making it easier on your eyes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.